Welcome to our exciting video on creating successful influencer marketing campaigns. In today's digital age, influencer marketing has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audiences and achieve remarkable results. We will also be analyzing Nike's Nothing Beats a Londoner ad campaign and understanding how they used influencer marketing to amplify the campaign. There is special bonus tips at the end of video, so stay till the end of video. But first, let's understand what influencer marketing is and why it's crucial in reaching and engaging your desired audience. Influencer marketing is a strategic approach that involves partnering with individuals who have a dedicated following and influence over a specific target audience. By leveraging their credibility and trust, businesses can tap into the influenced audience and create authentic connections. Influencer marketing helps businesses reach their target audience in a more personalized and relatable way, bypassing traditional advertising methods. It enables brands to build trust, increase brand awareness, and drive customer action. To create a successful influencer marketing campaign, it's essential to set clear campaign goals and align them with your overall marketing strategy. Think about what you want to achieve. Is it increasing brand awareness, driving conversions, expanding into new markets, or strengthening your brand's reputation? Clearly defining your objectives will guide your campaign and help you measure its success. Next, you need to identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and engage? Understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and preference will help you find the right influence who resonate with them. Finding the right influence is crucial to the success of your campaign. Look for influence who align with your brand values, have a genuine connection with your target audience, and create content that resonates with them. Remember, authenticity is key. Building authentic relationships with influence is essential for a successful campaign. Nurture relationships with influence based on trust, respect, and shared values. Regular communication, collaboration, and providing influence with creative freedom will help foster genuine partnerships. Collaborate with influence to develop engaging content that aligns with their style and strengths while effectively communicating your brand message. To amplify your reach and engagement, explore strategies like cross-promotion, sponsored posts, contests, or giveaways. Utilize influenced social media channels and blogs to maximize exposure. Throughout the campaign, track and measure its effectiveness. Monitor metrics such as reach, engagement, website traffic, conversions, and sales to evaluate your success and make data-driven adjustments. To kickstart your influencer marketing campaign, it's crucial to create a comprehensive campaign brief. This document outlines the campaign objectives, key messages, deliverables, and any specific guidelines for influence. A well-crafted campaign brief ensures that both you and the influencers are on the same page, working towards the same goals, and delivering cohesive and impactful content. How do you find quality influence for your campaign? Do tell us in the comments section below. If you want us to make a video on that, tell us in the comments section below. Once your campaign is live, it's time to amplify reach and engagement. This involves leveraging various strategies to maximize the exposure and impact of your influencer marketing efforts. One effective strategy is cross-promotion, where influencers promote your brand on their social media channels, while you reciprocate by featuring them on your platforms. This collaborative approach expands the reach to a wider audience. Consider incorporating sponsored posts, contests, or giveaways to generate excitement and encourage audience participation. These tactics can boost engagement and create a buzz around your campaign. Tracking and measuring your campaign's results is essential to evaluate its success and make data-driven decisions for future campaigns. Utilize analytics tools to monitor key metrics such as reach, engagement, website traffic, conversions, and sales. These insights provide valuable information about the effectiveness of your campaign and help you optimize your strategies. Based on the data you gather, make adjustments and optimizations to your campaign. refine your targeting, content strategy, or collaboration approach to continuously improve your influencer marketing efforts. Now let's see how Nike's Nothing Beats a Londoner ad campaign took influencer marketing world to the storm. The campaign featured a series of videos that highlighted the diversity and talent of young Londoners. The videos were shared by a number of influencers, including celebrities, athletes, and everyday Londoners. The campaign was a huge success. It generated over 100 million views on social media and helped Nike to increase brand awareness and sales. The campaign also won a number of awards, including a Grand Prix at the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity. One of the key factors that contributed to the success of the campaign was its use of influencer marketing. Nike worked with a number of influencers to share the campaign videos with their followers. This helped to reach a wider audience and to create a buzz around the campaign. The Nothing Beats a Londoner campaign is a great example of how influencer marketing can be used to create a successful marketing campaign. By working with influencers, Nike was able to reach a wider audience and to create a more engaging campaign. Here are some of the key takeaways from Nike's Nothing Beats a Londoner campaign. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience. Influence can help to create a more engaging campaign. When working with influencers, it is important to choose influencers who are a good fit for your brand. It is also important to provide influencers with the resources they need to create high-quality content. Now it's time for bonus tip. To make your influencer marketing campaign truly successful, it's crucial to embrace creativity and be flexible in your approach. Influencers are content creators with their unique style and voice. By allowing them creative freedom, you enable them to showcase your brand in an authentic and engaging way. We hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If so, please share it on your social media handles. Thanks for watching.